Hi, today I am here to explain some of the choices on our choice board for doing phonics words. It's called physical challenge, and physical challenge means they're going to get up and move their bodies for these ways to spell the spelling words. So one of them is called Takeoff and Touchdown. We've done this one in the classroom several times, so the children should be familiar with it. Takeoff means stand up. Touchdown means sit down. So as an example, if we were spelling gym, we would stand up for G, sit down for Y, stand up for M, sit down and say the whole word together, gym. Then we would move on to the next word. Jumping jacks. As you do each jumping jack, you're going to say another letter name. So if we were spelling cage, it would be C-A-G-E, cage. Hopscotch is something that you might try outside, or if you're really adventurous, you could put tape on your floor for the hopscotch. And as the children jump for each letter, instead of having numbers, the boxes are blank, and they would say each letter. So for example, as they touch the first box with their foot, they would say M, A, G, I, C, magic, and then keep spelling until they're done doing all the sight words. There's a couple more options that they could choose. One is body poses. We've done this one in our classroom as well. An example would be if we were talking about letter C for cage, we would do our arms really big. C, A. We've done G a couple different ways. The kids have gotten really creative with it. And a letter E, again, they've gotten creative with their own ways to make the letters. And that would be up to them. As long as they're spelling them out and then saying the word at the end, they could choose their own poses. There's one called rocket spelling. It's similar to takeoff and touchdown, but instead of going up, down, up, down, up, down, it would be done in stages. So for example, for gym, you would be sitting or squatting. Then for Y, you'd be a little higher. For M, a little higher. And when you say the word, you would stand all the way up. The last option for this one is American Sign Language. Many of the children have done ASL with me. I'm going to go ahead and do it here so that you can see it in case you need as a reference for the letters so that the kids can do them with you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J is just a movement. Take your little finger and curl it around. K, L, M. Notice where the thumb is here between the ring finger and the little finger because N just moves one over. O, if you look through, it looks like a circle. P is like a K, but turn down. P. Q is like you're singing just a little bit, but turn it upside down. Q. R. S. Notice that S, A, and E are similar. A is here, S is here, E is here. S. T. U. V. W, X, Y has the thumb out, the little finger out, and the other three fingers are pushed down. And Z is going to be similar to J. There's not really a hand motion or hand pose. It's the letter Z written in the air. A great thing about doing ASL is, again, it builds those fine motor skills for the kids. It also makes both sides of the brain work together, which is a good problem-solving skill. So these are just some ideas that they can use as an alternative to worksheets for practicing their phonics words this week. I hope you enjoyed these options, and I'll keep bringing them to you as I come up with more. Have a great afternoon.